This is how to transfer money from your Payeer account to your PayPal. In this video, I will walk you through how to move money from your Payeer and transfer it very fast to your PayPal account. To achieve that, you will open up your Payeer and log into your PayPal account. As at the time of this video, you cannot do direct transfer from Payeer to PayPal. Of course, you'll be able to see PayPal USD, but if you want to withdraw from here using PYUSD, you click it. You only have option to input Payeer account number. What that implies that you can only send from Payeer to another person that has a Payeer account that will now transfer the money to your PayPal. That is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to transfer from your Payeer to somebody that has another Payeer account that will now help you transfer the money to your PayPal. To do that, we will need a platform like this platform that will do the exchange for you. And this is one of the best reputable payment gateway online today. Very trusted. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up. When you do that, you get a gift of $3. The name of this platform is AirTM. So you will need to transfer your money from Payeer to AirTM. Since you want to move money from Payeer to AirTM, that implies you want to add money to this your wallet first from Payeer. Then from here you now move money to your PayPal. So to add money, you click add. You click search. Because we are moving money from Payeer, you search for Payeer. You click Payeer. This transaction will take 4 stages. Suppose you want to transfer like $13 from Payeer to your PayPal. You have to move the money first to AirTM, to this your wallet. So it will work like this. We're looking for somebody in this platform that has Payeer. How much do you want to send? You transfer $13 from your Payeer to a third party on this platform. We call the person your peer. So we're doing peer-to-peer transaction. So you will send $13 from Payeer to a peer. So you come to this place. This is your platform. To send to another person, you click add. You come to Payeer. From here now, you will send $13 to somebody on this platform that has Payeer account on this platform. When you get to this place, you'll be instructed to register your Payeer on this platform. As soon as you finish that, you will send $13 to a third party that is called your peer. You send $13. You will now get this amount inside your wallet. When you click continue, you will get the person's Payeer account number. You will pick that account number and come back to your Payeer. When you get to your Payeer platform, you click this symbol. You click it. Don't forget you are sending $13. You input the account number here. Suppose this is the person's account number. The amount that must get to AirTM is $13. You type $13. This is where you put the amount the third party, that is your peer, will receive. But this is going to be the debit on your account on Payeer. So you must have this money. So these two amounts must be taken into consideration before you determine and set this amount that you'll be paying to your Payeer. Because before you initiate this transaction on AirTM, you must ensure that you've taken these charges into consideration. If everything is okay, all you need to do is to click send, and this $13 will come to this place. But you know how much you get. This is the amount you will get, $12.19 on this platform. Don't forget that the objective is to transfer your money from Payeer to PayPal, and you've received $12.19 here. So your objective now is to transfer this money from this platform to PayPal. So to achieve that, because you are taking out of this your balance, you are withdrawing the money, you click withdraw. Don't forget we are transferring to PayPal. You click search. You search for PayPal. You scroll down. You can see you have 2 options. If the amount you are transferring to PayPal is less than $15, you pick this. If the amount you are transferring is more than $15, you pick this. But the amount we pretend to be sending is $12 plus. You click this. Just the same process is going to take you 4 stages to get this money transfer. That's suppose it's $12.19 transfer to your PayPal. You will need to register your PayPal on this platform. When you get to this stage, this is the amount you will send to somebody that has a PayPal on this platform. You will send this amount. That third party that has that PayPal account will now transfer this amount to your PayPal account. So you are not actually sending this money directly to your PayPal. You are sending this money to your peer that has a PayPal account that will now transfer this money to your own PayPal account. That is why you need to register your PayPal account where you want this money to go to. When you get to this stage, look at it. You will send from your AirTM account this amount, which is in your wallet, and you will receive in your PayPal account $11.95, this amount. So when everything is okay, you click continue. You follow the step-by-step process. It will take 4 stages. Before you know it, you get your money in your PayPal account. So this is how to transfer from your Payeer account to your PayPal very fast and in no time, using one of the best payment platform in the world, AirTM. Don't forget to use my AirTM link, which is below the description of this video. If you do that, you get a gift of $3, which is a sign-up bonus for using my link. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.